State is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household as a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. 603, State of Texas versus Amber Denise Stormy. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Marcus Sanders.
For the defense?
Victor Gomez.
All right, and are you Ms. Stormy?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, I'm showing you what's entitled discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, it appears that you're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Any objections?
No objection.
Ms. Storman, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right, and we're going to go off the record. Probation,
Yes.
there's no application.
Okay, thank you.
Back on the record. Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household as a Class A misdemeanor? The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, you need to speak up.
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Okay, are you?
Yes, I'm sorry.
All right, here's the thing. Are you sure? I mean, do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understand what's going on?
She's
Yes,
nervous,
ma'am.
Judge.
All right.
She's very nervous.
Sorry, I'm really quiet.
That hesitation, that nervous energy, it says everything. This isn't just paperwork anymore. This is real life hitting all at once. One wrong move here could change everything.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, she is, Judge.
Ms. Storman, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is to proceed on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, and household. Punishment is to be assessed at 86 days in the Bear County Jail. There are no applications for community supervision or deferred adjudication. State will take in consideration County Court Cause number 679-224. There's to be credit for any time served, affirmative finding of family violence, no harmful or injurious contact with Helen Stormett. Did you understand with the affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Did you understand with the affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. And I'm finished on that. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then to the less included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, State offer State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Storman, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty of the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, or household. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Thurman has spent at least 86 days in jail. We're asking the court to give a credit, judgment sat. We're asking the court to follow the recommendation.
All right. State, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
I believe we have, Judge, and I believe she is not necessarily aware of the specific plea, but aware of a potential result.
All right. And Ms. Stormy, what is your relationship to Helen?
She's my mom.
All right. So where are you living now?
Right now, I'm living with my dad.
So how often have you been using?
Oh, rarely.
What does that mean?
Like,
as I tell everybody, I'm not with you when you rarely use, so I don't know what that means.
I can't say never because never isn't a good answer, but I mean, it's been a good 5 months, 3 months.
So if I drug test you today, you're saying it's going to be negative because I will drug test you
Yes,
today. You won't, okay. Because I have concerns.
Okay.
And my concerns are with the drug issue, as you understand.
Now the focus shifts. This isn't just about the incident anymore. It's about lifestyle, credibility, and trust. Judges look beyond the charge. They look at patterns.
That you rarely use.
I smoke pot.
There was more going on than pot smoking here.
Well, at the time, I actually wasn't doing anything. She was under the impression that I was.
I mean, but what have you used in the past?
Really just pot. Really just pot.
What does that mean, really just? What does that mean?
I mean, I've
really
taken
just
Adderall
pot?
or, prescription drugs, but not prescription drugs, but not outside of that, no. Outside of that, no.
Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
16, 16, 1, 16, 1, 16.
So you have one child and that child is 16?
So you have one child
and that Where's that child?
Yes. He lives with his father. He lives with his
Why
father.
is that? Why is that?
He chose to stay with his dad.
Why?
His dad.
Why?
He just felt it would be, in his best interest to
Why?
spend some time with him.
Why?
Spend some time
How
with him.
does being in his best interest to spend some time with his father end up with his father, him living with his father permanently?
Well, it's not a permanent stay. He just stay. He's in between with his grandma and with his dad. But
So here's my concern. My concern is I'm reading this. And it's your mom suspecting that you're using ice.
Right. Right.
So have you used ice in the past?
I mean, in the past, yes. I mean, in the past, as of like now, no.
Probation?
Yes, Your Honor.
How long would it take if you do a drug test on this Stormont? All right. Are you ready to go now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready to go now? Do you need-
Yes, ma'am.
I'm glad that you were negative. You need to keep up the good work, okay? You need to keep up the good work, okay? All right. The court is going to follow your agreement. Court will sentence you to 86 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for any time served. Is this a judgment satisfied?
It's contemplation parties, yes, Judge. It's contemplation parties, yes.
Show that the judgment is satisfied. Taking consideration. County Court Cause number 679-224. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. And there should be no harmful or injurious contact with Helen Stormont. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Further from defense.
I think it was safe.
Ms. Stormont, I'm gonna show you what's entitled trial court certification. A defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Right, because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand? If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. I'm gonna tell you what I tell everybody else. Parents are a blessing. They're here. Hopefully your parent is a blessing. You've got to start treating your mother better. And guess what? If you think your mother is wrong about something, guess what you do? You smile, you accept, and when you live in your mother's household, no matter how old you get, your mother's rules apply. I don't care if you're living in the apartment to her household, her rules apply. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your word is calling 2022 CR 3007. Did I say 3 zeros or 2?
I wrote 3 0. I wrote 3 0. No, 2 0. 3 0. No, 2 0. 3 0.
All right, thank you. It's been a long week. State of Texas versus Stephen Rhodes. Can I have parties announced for the record, please, for the state, for the defense?
Will Brooks, Judge.
And are you Mr. Rhodes?
Yes,
And are
ma'am.
you Mr. Rhodes? I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Wait,
No, that's wrong.
hold on. Can we start over?
Yeah, we do need to start over. This is one of those days. It's like one of those days. It's like, all right. We're gonna pretend like nothing has happened. Parties on Stephen Rhodes.
Restart, please.
Will Brooks for defendants.
Are you Mr. Rhodes?
Yes, ma'am. I am.
This is not Groundhog Day. All right, defense, I'm sure you've been discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
Yes.
court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rhodes, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the
Yes,
reading
ma'am.
of the indictment?
Yes,
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you court admonishments, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. Sorry. It's been long. Did you understand the range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 180 days to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm sorry, I need to drink some more water for my, because of my allergies. Just a second. Right, did you understand if you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargaining agreement. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea bargaining agreement, it gives you more than you bargained for. The fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargaining agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has
Yes,
a
Your Honor.
rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent with legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rhodes,
Yes,
has
Your Honor.
anyone threatened you, forced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargaining agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Very much, yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S.
Very
citizen?
much, yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargaining page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the
Yes,
plea
ma'am.
bargaining agreement, punishments be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility, and there are no applications for community supervision or deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea bargaining agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea bargaining agreement?
Yes, it is, Judge.
State, is that the plea
Yes,
bargaining
it is,
agreement?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you the
Yes.
paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by
Yes, ma'am.
signing that you're waiving your right to appeal?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
only items that can be appealed are written pre-trial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, everything,
Yes,
such
ma'am.
motion. Counsel, everything.
No motions with drawings, Judge. No motions.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, Judge, state officer
Evidence.
states exhibit one, state officer states exhibit one.
No objections to states one or objections to states one or.
Mr. Rhodes, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent with stipulation, testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulations, testimony, and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits one and attachments and review the same. All right, after being states exhibits one and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. We'll come back on June 22nd for sentencing. I'm sorry, June 27th. Thank you.
Judge, for purpose of the
Thank you.
record, Mr. Rhodes' understanding would be that he would be subject to the full range of punishment if it does not show up for his sentencing to the 2 years.
All right, do you understand that, Mr. Rhodes?
Yes, ma'am, I do. Yes,
All
ma'am,
right,
I do.
and we can go off the record, Mr. Rhodes, here's the thing. Don't use this as the time to go use. Because you know what ends up happening usually when people do that? They end up overdosing. So if you have a drug or alcohol problem, which it appears that you do from my reading the report and from what your mother was saying, you should leave from this courtroom and you can go to any type of center. They have free drug places throughout the Bear County that can help you. So you should probably find yourself an NA meeting or an AA meeting instead of going to use drugs. How old are you?
39.
All right, so it's time to stop this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're not on the record, but if you're drug tested today, what are the results gonna be?
They would be positive.
All right,
They would be
so
positive.
you've got to get your life together. And if, I'm not a part of the negotiations, but I can tell you, if there were a negotiation where you would be given probation, I would have most definitely put you in an inpatient facility or sent you to felony drug court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So where are you going when you leave from here?
My mother's care, staying with her. My
No,
mother's
you
care,
need to be
staying
going
with her.
to get help with your drug problem. with
Oh, yeah.
withdrawal
And
policy. So here's the thing, and so
It appears from reading this
it appears from reading
that your mom may be a bit of an enabler. Because parents always want to do what's best for their children. They always keep their homes open for their children. But don't go to her house and cause any problems, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna see you back here on Monday at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Yes, thank you so
All
much.
right, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, and he just has paper, he just has the reset form to sign. Sign. All right. Do we have anyone else? Do we have anyone else? Oh, well, everyone, we are calling it a day. We'll be back on Monday at 9 a.m.